To split repair expense between multiple crop years for equipment, go to Accounting, select Add New Payment. In my example, I'm going to choose the John Deere Company. We wrote them a check for $3,000 today, so I'll choose that. First thing that you want to do is choose Other for the type, and then choose the expense account. So in my example, it's repair expense, equipment. You can add a description for this first row. What I'm going to do here is change the 3,000 to 1,000 because I want to allocate 1,000 of this to the crop year 2022 for that equipment. So I'll change it to 1,000, select No Allocation, Equipment, and then pick out that machine down below. Make sure the correct crop year is selected, which it is. Hit Apply. I'm going to hit Add Row again. Do the exact same steps. I can change that description if I like. So this is kind of nice as a reminder if I ever go back and look at that transaction. I'll change that to 1,000 because I want to allocate 1,000 of this to the 2023 crop year for that equipment. So I'm going to choose No Allocation, Equipment, pick out that machine, make sure to change this to 2023, hit Apply, add one final row, and I'm going to choose Repair Expense, add a description, and then that 1,000 for that last year that I want to allocate to, I'm going to choose Equipment again, select it, make sure you confirm the right crop year, and hit Apply. It's always good to add a memo down below so that way you've got this information in the account register if you're just kind of scanning through it. So maybe this is just repairs on engine for John Deere 8540. And this all looks great. And I'm going to hit the Save and Close. And the transaction is now complete. If I want to go back and edit that and maybe add another row and extend it to another year, maybe 2025, all you do is just click on it. Takes you right back here. You can make any change you want.